Two chief ministers of the Northeast have stressed incorporating the history, traditions and culture of the region in the national education curriculum. The Northeast chief ministers talked about this while addressing the Niti Ayog's 6th Governing Council meeting on a virtual platform chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is participating in a day-long election strategy session in Delhi today. Elections in 5 states are due over the coming months. Reports said among these, the biggest prize the BJP is looking out for is Bengal, which Amit Shah has been targeting since the BJP came to power at the centre in 2014. One more opposition-ruled state, Kerala, is on the list. With 14,264 new cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 and 90 related deaths in the last 24 hours, India's caseload surged to over 10.9 million today, according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare data. The number of active cases of COVID-19 also went up to 1,45,634 from 1,43,127 yesterday, the Health Ministry's dashboard this morning showed. There have been 1,09,91,651 cases of the coronavirus disease and 1,56,302 deaths in the country so far. In the past 24 hours, Manipur reported only 3 cases of COVID-19. The cases were reported from Bishnupur and Senapati districts. 4 people were also discharged yesterday. Manipur now has only 84 active cases of COVID-19. The caseload stands at 29,233, while the recovery cases have reached 28,776. The state's death toll stands at 373. Dr. T. Brajakumar, Director of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, said that Manipur will become a clean state when the people start proper disposal of domestic wastes. Brajakumar also urged the people residing near Nambol River to treat it with care. Brajakumar was taking part in a year-long cleanliness campaign of Nambol and Vaisil Maril, organized by Mungshangai Kanba Apunba Loop. Coordinating body Kurai and Imphal East District Police Department today organized a motorcycle rally under Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign Imphal East. The rally was organized on the theme for a drug-free society. District Superintendent of Police Jogesh Chandra Haubijam and Deputy Commissioner of Imphal East Kumanthem Daina took part in the rally. The motorcycle rally was kicked off from Lamlong Higher Secondary School and passed through Hapta, New Chekon, Wangkai, Kongba, Thambalkhong, Khetrigao, Top Khongangkhong, DC Road Porompat, Ayangpali, Lamlong Hekrumakhong, Lairik Yekpam Lekai, Salanthong before culminating at SRC in Puthiba Lekai. DC Kumanthem Daina said that the rally will help disseminate the ill effects of drug abuse to the masses by creating more awareness. Yeningtha Facebook group today extended help to Oinam Mustafin, alias Nanau, whose life has remained crippled following a major mishap. Mustafin was a lineman. Yeningtha Facebook group assured of helping the poor and needy people in Manipur. The BJP has sought a white paper from the National People's Party NPP-led Meghalaya government on corruption. The BJP is an ally of the NPP-led coalition government in Meghalaya. As per a media report, 2 of its MLAs, Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek and Sanbor Shulai, are supporting the state government. Both the MLAs, however, have kept mum on the state BJP unit's allegations levelled against the government.